Hello everyone, this is your boy Decency Graphics at it here. So in today's video, I'm doing a very short tutorial on how to download Photoshop 2022 or any version for free without purchasing it. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so let's dive into it. So first of all, you open your web browser, then you type in the name howto.com. So that is the name of the website. Yeah, this website has access to a lot of softwares, cracked softwares. Yes. So first of all, we search for Photoshop, and as you can see, Photoshop is part of the trending items on the website. So you just hit on it. Yes. So we have Photoshop here. So we just scroll down Photoshop 2022. You read the requirements and see if your system matches it. So if you want previous versions, so as you can see, we have Photoshop 2021 over here, and you click on see more. You have access to 2022, 2021, 2019, 2015, a whole lot of them. Yeah, but we want 2022. So all I will need to do is to scroll back to the top, then select direct download. So it take me to the next page. So I would have to wait for few seconds for them to generate a download link for me. So I would have to wait a little. Yes, so now my download link is ready, so I'll click on it, then we're good to go. So it's easy, quite easy. When you download, afterwards everything you need to do is to extract it. But if you want a tutorial on how to install it too, you can leave it down in the comment section, and I'll do a tutorial on how to install it after downloading. Yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your fellow graphic designers who are in need of Photoshop for free. Thank you.